welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do something a little crazy, to be honest. I'm getting a lot of flack for it from those who are on the inside loop of things I do to my car. As you can tell, the trunk is open. This deck lid, she got to go. I just flat out cannot afford an aftermarket deck lid. ACS composite, even though I could get a great deal because they support the channel huge, cannot afford it. At ZL1 1LE wing, which I want so bad, cannot afford it. Even some of the more cost-effective ones get it painted for $100, all that good stuff. It's just not in the cards right now, guys. So I thought, on my way home from the gym, I had this great epiphany. What if I just took it off? What if I just run without it? Why not? Why does this have to be here? Since the day I got this car, this trunk actually has a pretty nice little swoop to it as it is. Right here kind of comes to a point and then it rounds itself off the back. The rally stripes are there anyways. As you can tell, the car's really dirty. I'm gonna wash it later. So I figured, you know what? Let's just take it off for a bit. Let's see how it makes me feel. If I don't like it and I want to put it back on, I'll put it back on. I'm not gonna do anything too permanent here. But just do what I do. I have fun with this car, I experiment with this car, and this is absolutely no exception. So, I guess here goes nothing. Ready? Boom. That's it. That is all. I must say, this car has an incredibly mean profile, just as it sits.